Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'll be explaining quadratic functions in standard form. So this is a graph. Quadratic function would look like this if it was positive, and this if it was negative. So what's the standard form? It's going to be f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so c is going to be the y-intercept of the graph. So if the graph looked like this is the y-intercept. That's C. If it looked like this is the y-intercept. Or it could even look this, like this. So this could be the y-intercept. Okay, anyway, let's look at a question. F of x is equal to 2x squared plus 4x plus 3. So immediately we know that the y-intercept is going to be plus 3, about here. Okay, so we can also find the axis of symmetry. So how do you find the axis of symmetry? The formula for it is minus b over 2a. So this is b, this is a. So minus b would be minus 4 over 2a, which is 2. Okay, so let's put it in a calculator. You get minus 4 over 2, get minus 1. So the axis of symmetry is minus 1. So let's write our variables. Y-intercept is 3. Axis of symmetry is going to be minus 1. Okay, so what can we do with this information? Um, let's use the axis of symmetry, which is the x of the vertex. So if you have a graph like this, the top point here, or if you had a graph like this, the bottom point here is going to be the vertex. So the x of this vertex is minus 1. So how do you find the y? You take this formula and you put minus 1 for all the x's. Okay, so let's try this. Let's move this down. Okay, so f of x, f of minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, 2 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. So 2 minus 1 squared. Let's check. 2 minus 1 squared. This will be 2 plus 4 minus 1. You will get minus 4 and plus 3 equals to f of minus 1. Okay, so let's solve it. 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 3, 1. So f of minus 1 will be f of minus 1 will be um, 1. So this tells you that the y of the vertex is 1. So we found out the x of the vertex by doing this formula, getting the axis of symmetry. It's minus 1. Then we put the axis of symmetry into the formula to get the y of the vertex. So we can remove this, remove these points. Okay, so the vertex will be minus 1, 1. So the vertex will be here, and the y-intercept will be here, about here. So this immediately tells you that the graph will look something like this. So it's better to find another point. So this point is at minus 1, right? The vertex. This point is at 0. This point. Okay, let's find another point at 1. So it should be somewhere here. But how do we check? We put 1 as the x in this formula. So f of 1 is equal to 2 1 squared plus 4 1 plus 3. So 2 1 squared, you will get 2, of course, and 4 1, you will get 4 plus 3. So 2 plus 4 6 plus 3 9. So f of 1 is equal to 9. Okay, so when so this point, it will be when x is 1, the y is going to be 9. So the point is going to be the exact same on the other side. So the y will be 9, but the x will be, instead of 1, it will be negative 2. So here we moved 1 2, here we move 1 2. So negative 2 and 9. This is the quadratic function for this formula. What else do we have in this lesson? Mm, besides the minus b over 2a to get the axis of symmetry and the y-intercept being c. If there was no c, it would be probably 0, the y-intercept. What else? We have the standard form equation, f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And yeah, that's pretty much it for lesson 3.3 on quadratic functions in standard form.